the University of the West Indies. So that's where we're starting the video today. And that's the hospital. University of the West Indies Hospital. So we'll be driving from here down to Elletson Flat. That's a close by community. I've never covered there before. So that's what we're doing today, guys. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining the Raymore Reviews channel. You know, it's the Discover Boss Rush. And I'm here with you for another video. Remember to subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel to spread. Helps the channel to grow. And like the video anywhere you are in the video now. This is where you are. So like the video and leave a comment. Let me know your experience at this hospital, the University Hospital of the West Indies. Let me know your experience. Leave a comment. Like the video and share the video as well. So probably somebody else can benefit. It may not be you, so it's always good to share the video on your social media platform, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, your WhatsApp status. So we're just driving around the ring road for the hospital and just bringing you guys along, because I know persons overseas probably have not been this side in a while, and even persons out here as well may not come this side. So I always try to bring you guys along with me. Alright guys, so enjoy the drive. Remember, it's all about subscribe. Kris and Charles Investment Limited has partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews, so you guys definitely show them some support. They're also having a promotion right now. So this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021, so you guys definitely check them out. And you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. So check them out, guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited partnered with the channel, so show them some support. Alright, so right here on the left is the nurses' residence. So I guess for those nurses that live a distant out, they have the opportunity to board on the hospital complex. So this was the ring road around the hospital. So now we're leaving the University Hospital of the West Indies, and we're now heading down to Elliot Flats. So we're now entering John Golden Road. That's the main road that we're entering now. They have put up a stoplight out here, because throughout the years this is really a traffic zone with vehicles coming in the hospital, leaving the hospital, and also the vehicles passing on the road as well. So stoplight has really helped with that problem. Alright, so we're on John Golden Road heading down to the UWU back gate. That's what it's popular called. That's the University of the West Indies back gate. I'll do a spin around there before we go down to Elletson Flats. So we just passed some of the UWU boarding facilities on the right, and then right here is what is referred to as the UWU back gate. So this is where, you know, everybody get taxi. That's the University of the West Indies over there. This is their bus stop, and then we swing around and head down to Elletson Flats. So this right turn leads to Augustown. We will take the left and go down into Elletson Flats. Alright, so this is a community with a lot of boarding because the university is so close. A lot of persons board down this side. It's a residential community as well, so a lot of person lives down here as well. So welcome to Elletson Flats. So we're coming off Golden Avenue, and then we'll be entering David Clement Drive. Alright, so not a very big community, but let's take a little spin and turn around. So some of the houses are modified to get, you know, a lot of tenants, a lot of student rental. We have one here that is being worked on. And then to the right is Beale Avenue. The community really was developed as a scheme type community, so most of the houses in the original farm will be scheme houses on very small lots, and then a lot of persons have, you know, added on more over time. So smaller type house, they look very small, to be honest. I guess their roof, their ceiling is very low. The lots are also very small. Okay, that's how it was developed. But yeah, residential community, a lot of students live here. The prices are not so bad either, you know, based on the level of the community. So we enter in Doherty Drive. And I guess what a lot of persons will be doing is upgrading these homes because they are older type homes. So all they need to do is upgrade and expand, and then they'll be able to cater to even more residents. Lindo Avenue on the right. Richard Weir Avenue on the right as well. And as usual, guys, if you've ever lived in any of these community, grew up in this community, used to board in this community while attending college, still living in the community, just let me know, guys. When it comes to student rental, this is one of those main communities. Goodson Avenue on the right, and we're on Doherty Drive. So as best as I can, you know, I'll definitely always keep you guys updated on different parts in Kingston and always bring you guys on my journeys. So just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of the Elletson Flat community. This is a modified one, so not very small, that we're able to modify this one in such a way that it looks so big, and then they can get in a lot more rentals. There's literally no yard space, but you know, they have to work with what they have. But very small lots though. So this leads to the Elletson Flats sewage treatment plant. So this is a dead end. So I'll make a U-turn and then we head back out. So this is another two-story one. So they modified this. You have walk-in space at one side. The other side is adjoined to the wall. Then it's 2 floors. So I guess this can hold at least, you know, at least 4 to 6 tenants. So you just have to use up whatever space you have. But I know COVID changed so much that, you know, online is now the in thing. Working from home is now the in thing as well. So persons are now home attending school, home, you know, doing work. And some person that would have, you know, migrated to Kingston for college, you know, from whatever other parish, should have now been able to stay in their family home, save cost, and still be able to do online school. So a lot of things have changed. Alright guys, so just showing you around. Leave your comments, let me know what your thoughts are. I think this may be an exit. Let me try this one. And thanks for joining another video. It's much appreciated. Try to have a mixture of driving video, construction updates, road updates, you know, anything that current. Try to keep you guys in the loop. And even driving videos help a lot of people to know their way around town, to know different community, to see a house that they like and want to buy. Remember to go over to my Instagram page as well, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and follow me on Instagram. They always say corner lots are bigger. There's another 2 floors. Alright, so some roads are horribly bad, you know, and some roads can go on-ish. Alright, let's take this right turn, Beale Avenue, and then exit. So they're showing you guys around the community.